Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video. On this occasion presenting Rocket Game Miner, whose takeoff is on Saturday 23rd at 2:30 UTC time zone. Let's explain this project and its white paper, and you can find all the links that we comment down below the video. And remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own researches always before investing on this project or others. Well, and as they mention here in the white paper, Rocket Game Miner is an innovative fork of baked beans with improved mechanisms that let the investors earn up to a 10% daily return and a 13% through referral bonus. And its contract has been fully verified and audited by Hayes Crypto. And as it is mentioned here at the end of the white paper, it works on the Binance Smart Chain. So first of all, you have to change your network in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to the BSC1 to operate through it. And if you don't know how to add the BSC, the Binance Smart Chain, to your wallet, here are two steps that you must follow in order to do so. Well, and how to invest? It will be very easy and safe since there is no particular token. You just need to have BUSD, which is a stable coin that you can previously buy in platforms such as Binance, for instance, and then you have to send it to your MetaMask or your Trust wallet, and that's all. Very, very simple. So basically, the mechanism is that with this BUSD, here we go, you just have to click here to approve your deposit, and then yes, this button to start your rocket launching. So basically launch rocket means deposit, and you can start earning your passive rewards. And then the daily percentage you can earn depends on landing habits. Land rocket here is the same meaning, has the same meaning that withdrawing, and the time of day you refuel, that's the same that deposit, and the total value locked fluctuation. But the average daily return of investment is between 7 and up to a 10%, as you can see here, with an APR of more than 3,600 percent. Basically, Rocket Game Miner is locked reward pools, so you get your initial back over time through the My Reward sections that will be here once that you connect your wallet. In less than 2 weeks, you can get back your initial investment and keep on receiving passive incomes. These type of contracts work very well when the community follows what it is so-called as 6-1 strategy. This means that you compound, you refuel your earnings of 6 days and withdraw, you land your earnings of 1 day. But remember that there is a 3% developer fee, as you can see here, and also a refuel bonus of 2%. It is applied to all the deposits and withdrawals, so take it into account when following your strategy, no matter if it is a 6-1 strategy or other. Besides, you can earn, here we go, with this referral program, you can earn up to 13% extra commission with 3 levels deep. Basically, if you have unlock your levels with the necessary minimum deposit, you will have this 13 extra commission. So basically, level 1 with an extra 8% is unlocked with a minimum deposit of 50 BUSD. The level 2 with an extra 3%, that means a total of an 11%, is unlocked with a minimum deposit of 250 BUSD. And finally, level 3 with an extra 2%, that means a 13%, finally is unlocked with a minimum deposit of 500 BUSD. If you have not unlocked, that's very important, your levels, the commission of the commissioned deposit remains in the verified smart contract for all players. That's very important, and it is not possible to receive your commission afterwards. The referral rewards will be sent directly to your wallet, to the investor wallets, when someone deposits using your referral link, which is here, and that will appear once that you connect your MetaMask to your BSC, to your Binance Smart Chain network. Okay. And basically you can find here your referral link, and then you just have to copy it, and that's all. So oh, by the way, don't forget this 2000 giveaway that we can find here with more than 1,200 entries. There are still 4 days and more than 9 hours left, and basically you have to follow all these steps to participate in this giveaway of $2,000, 2,000 BUSD, to be divided among 10 lucky winners. Basically, you just have to join their Telegram, follow them on Twitter, and input your wallet address to receive the prize if you win the giveaway. And basically, these are all the entries that you can do: the wallet, the Telegram, join a day, the Telegram join channel, and finally the Twitter follow. Okay. And that's all. Stay tuned for the launch tomorrow. We are pretty soon, and see you in the next video. Thanks.